Hello, welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. My name is Harshada and let us start with today's video.
Today, we are going to study a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to create a maze game using Scratch. So, in this video, we will walk you through step-by-step instructions to build your own maze game from scratch. So, let's get started. So, this is the Scratch website and I'm going to create a new project. So, we have the default sprite cat. So, we are going to use the same sprite, but I will just decrease the size to 40. So, this is our cat. We will add one more sprite. There are different sprites you can explore over here. So, what is the end result? What does our cat want after solving the maze? Let us take this donut. I will decrease the size also. Or do you want the size of the donut to be bigger? Okay. So this is the donut. And here we can use some backdrops. Interesting backdrops. You can choose any. Take this. Click on the sprite one. So this is the position of our sprite, minus 192 and y is 131. Now let us draw a maze. So in this backdrop, I will just go to your edit, and this is the blue sky backdrop which we have selected already, and I'll take this line. I suggest you to use the same color. Don't change the color because we will be coding using the color. So let us draw a simple maze for now. You can get creative and add some difficult levels in this, but for now we will just draw a simple maze to understand the logic. Add something more complicated in this. Alright, now let us go back to the code. On our sprite. Now, we click on the sprite, we can see that this is at the position minus 19211. I will just adjust it so that it is side. This is the starting position of our. Make sure that it is not touching anything. Okay, so this is the starting position. So let me start with go to X. So in the motion, I'll click on go to X. This is the starting position. And in the events, we will click on the when the green flag is clicked. Now we want to control the movement of the sprite. So let me go to control. I will take a forever loop. We want if else blocks, if then blocks. I will push the key is pressed, key space is pressed. So here we have to write the code for up arrow. So when we click on up arrow, we want the y-axis to be moved, right? When it is going up, we have to put something as y-axis to be positive. The motion category will go click on change y by 10. Here it is giving 10, we will change it to 5. And I will click on this particular block and I will duplicate it. We'll duplicate it 3 more times. So this is the code for up arrow. This is the code for down arrow. And here we will put it as -5. Why -5? Because when we are clicking on the down arrow, we want, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. We want the cat to go downwards. So we will put it as -5. We'll duplicate it for right arrow. And we have to change this to change. You have to change the x-axis for the right arrow. So I will make it as 5. When we are clicking on the right, we move to the right. Let me duplicate this code again. We will write the code for left arrow. X-axis will move to -5. So basically we are moving up arrow change by y, down arrow change y by -5, and right arrow change x by 5, and left arrow change x by -5. Just try to run this code. I'll run this. I'm pressing the down arrow, it is going down. Pressing the right arrow, it's going right. Left arrow, left arrow. Okay, that's really smooth. You're going good. Now let us add the timer. The timer is in the sensing block. Sensing. So we will just add a reset timer. So when we start the game, it will reset the timer and we will just click on the checkbox. So it will show us a time taken by the game. Now let us drag another if then loop. Let us drag if else then loop. And let us write the code for touching our donut. So if the cat touches the donut, we will say, we'll just print the timer. What time it took to touch. We have to stop the timer to reset the particular timer. So we will just click on forever and we will Again, reset the timer after it clicks the donut. So, shall we write one? Cat is going. Okay, it's showing us the timer. The timer has got reset. Great. Add some code. When the cat will touch the walls of the maze, let us add if then block. Now we will go to sensing and then we will add the touching color in the if block. Now we will click on this and we will click on the eyedropper and we have to select particular color black. Need to be very specific with the black color. So if it will touch the black color, we will have to reset it to the original position of the cat. So let us drag the go to, and the position is -161 and 85. So we will drag it to our initial position of the cat. Okay, and then we can also add some sound if it will touch the walls of the maze, right? It should say meow. So let us start. Try to touch. Okay. Whenever I am touching the black color, it is creating this meow sound. So I think we need to make our cat little small to go 30. Okay, so it won. So for winning, we also can customize it. Like if we are touching the donut, we can say, can create some other sound as well. So the sound, we can go to sound, customize. Add a clapping sound if we and say to one. Enjoy your donut. Try our game again. It has reset. When it's trying to pick the maze. Awesome. So you can try this out. Interesting game, isn't it? You can save this. You can share it with your friends. And there you are. You're having all this step-by-step instructions. So you will be able to create your own game using Scratch. So have fun experimenting and customizing your game. And happy coding.
Thanks for watching till the end. Please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's spread the coding joy together.